All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're back with our end of day PulseWave report. Let's jump right into it. So, the first chart here is silver. All right, so silver is in a bull market with a bearish trend momentum reading, and you can see where we had the back-to-back crash alerts. So it's still expecting the market to move lower over the next 3 to 5 trading sessions. Top of the Kumo cloud at 22 should be where the initial downside target support is located. Next up is your nat gas, still in a bear market. It's come off neutralization. Now you have a bullish trend momentum reading as the market is getting closer to the bottom of the Kumo cloud. But I think the true target is at the $3 even. That's your upside target in your nat gas. Next up is the Dow. So the Dow is in a bull market environment still with a bearish trend momentum reading that has not changed. And we had a crash alert, and now we're 2 days out from the crash alert. And sometimes these alerts can lead the market 3 to 5 days out. So we'll give it some more time and see what happens. But the market is long overdue because as you can see here, we had this crash alert back here. The market did move down, but only slightly. Then it gave us another crash alert. The market moved back down slightly again. Then we had a negative bot check, then another negative bot check, but no drop since the last negative bot check. And as you know, these bot checks are pretty substantial. So that means that the higher the market goes, ignoring the bot checks are sort of like gaps and pointers, bullish and bearish pointers, where they must be reconciled at some point. So that means that this market is storing up a huge down move when it does occur. And your resistances are all the way up here at the 35,500 level. So that's quite a ways away. That's 1,500 points away. And even if the market can get there, those are major resistance points. So I believe that the higher the market goes while ignoring the bot checks, the more substantial the down drop is going to be and more long-term sustaining. So just FYI on these markets. Next up is the NASDAQ 100. It's in a bull market with a bearish trend momentum reading, and it has also been trying to defy these markets. And we had crash alerts back here. We didn't get any downside production. The market's ignoring it. But like I told you before, the longer you go, the more drastic the move is going to be. So just FYI. Next up is gold. Gold's in a bull market with a bearish trend momentum reading and back-to-back crash alerts. It's just a matter of time before the market, for the bottom, just pulls out. And the longer they go ignoring it, the harder the crash is going to be. Next up is the S&P 500, which is crossed over from a bearish to a bull market, and it has a bullish trend momentum reading now. So this one actually is wide open to run, actually. And you had this positive bot check back here. So the upward move, the really upward spike run hasn't really technically happened yet. So this one is ready to make up for lost time for moving sideways for so long. We'll see how high it can get. Then next up is oil. Oil is in a bear market with a bearish trend momentum reading and a crash alert for tonight into tomorrow's trading. The Russell is still in a bear market, but now with a bullish trend momentum reading still, and it's getting closer to the bottom of the Kumo cloud, which is at 1850. That's the upside initial target for the Russell, which is still in a bear market. The US dollar index is in a bear market with a bullish trend momentum reading, and the market is hitting resistance around the 102, 103 area. 101 is still technical support for the dollar. Ethereum is in a bull market with a bullish trend momentum reading and a crash alert. So we were neutralized yesterday. Now the market's come off neutralized, and you have a crash alert for tonight into tomorrow's trading. Bitcoin futures is in a bull market with a bearish trend momentum reading, had a crash alert coming into today. Really didn't get any downside production. So this one's setting up for tonight into tomorrow's trading to have a powerful downward move. All right, folks, stay vigilant out there. Remember, the system works if you work the system. So make money, not excuses. Allow the market time to fluctuate and do its thing. Be prepared to be wrong. If you're wrong, you can always flip and get on the right side of the market. That's what the system is designed to do. And you ride it for all it's worth. All right. So with that being said, smash the like button, and I'm out.